In this video, you'll learn how to rename a project in Claude AI. Renaming a project is helpful anytime your work changes direction, a draft becomes final, or you just want your workspace to feel more organized and accurate. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to update any project name in just a few seconds. First, you need to open the projects area in Claude. On the left-hand side of the Claude interface, look for the option labeled Projects in the sidebar. Go ahead and click that. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the projects page by using the Claude Projects URL in your browser. Either way, you'll end up in the same place, a dashboard showing all of your existing project cards. Once you're on the projects page, take a moment to locate the specific project you want to rename. Each project appears as a card, usually with a title, maybe a short description, and sometimes additional context. Scroll through the list until you find the project whose name you'd like to change. If you have a lot of projects, it can help to visually scan for colors, icons, or recent activity dates that might make that card easier to spot. When you've found the right project card, you're ready to open its options menu. Move your mouse over the project card and hover there for a moment. As you do this, you should see a three-dot menu icon appear in the top right corner of that card. This icon often looks like a small vertical line of three dots. Click on that three-dot menu to open the project's context menu. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that project. From this menu, look for the option labeled Edit Details, or in some versions, simply Rename. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will be the option that clearly suggests editing or changing the project's information. Click that option to open the editing view. Now you should see a panel or pop-up where you can change the project's details. The most important field here is the project name. Click into the name field, delete or adjust the existing title, and type in the new name you want to use. Try to choose a name that reflects the current purpose of the project, so it will be easier to recognize later. Some people like to include a date, a version tag, or a short descriptor to keep things organized. After you've entered the new project name, quickly double-check for typos or formatting issues. When everything looks correct, look for the button that saves your changes, usually labeled Save, Update, or something similar. Click that button to confirm the new name. Once the changes are saved, you'll be taken back to your projects view, where you should now see the updated project name on the card you just edited. If it doesn't appear right away, try briefly refreshing the page so the new name shows up correctly across your workspace. That's all it takes. You've successfully renamed a project in Claude AI, and you can repeat these same steps anytime your projects evolve and need clearer, more accurate titles.